So today we continue on building our project. We are going to set up our project. Let's create a new React Native project using the CLE command. React Native init. I'll call it add on social. React Native social. Let's wait for the build to finish. Okay, good. Let's start the project. I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code editor. Let me start the device. And after that, I'm going to start the React Native's Metro server. I'm going to run the project on the device. Okay, good. Let's open a terminal. So I'm going to start the server, the Metro server. I'm going to start the project on the device and paste React Native run Android. Okay, I think we're good to go. Project will start building, and after some time it will launch the application on my React Native on my device. So okay, good. Let's wait for the build to finish. Okay, we're good to go. So on the next video we are going to start building our UI interfaces, so stay tuned for upcoming videos.